The EFF, the Economic Freedom Fighters, are the bravest political party in South Africa because they're doing something that should have been done years ago, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years ago. In fact, the inception of Orania shouldn't have happened. So the EFF are going to march to Orania on the 22nd of April. On the 22nd of April, EFF will be marching in Orania, and I urge everyone should be marching in Orania each and every day. If you are living anywhere in the Northern Cape, you should be marching at the gates of Orania each and every day to show that these people shouldn't be there. How can they have an all-Afrikaner and all-white town in South Africa, in Africa? It doesn't make sense. As everyone has always said, there is no way you can get out of Africa, go to Europe, build a village there in Europe and calling it your own and saying that everyone in Europe is not welcome in your village. That's impossible. Why should we in Africa allow this? Orania shouldn't exist.